Hello guys, good evening. Hopefully everyone would be fine right now. So today I'm going to discuss about how to calculate quantity of cement, sand aggregate in slab, roof slab. Alright, so let's get started in brief. Before it, we will have to know what is dry volume concrete and wet volume concrete. So dry volume concrete is equal to, so remember, dry volume concrete is equal to 1.54 wet volume of concrete. All right. So here you will see a figure of slab. Slab length is 6 meter and width is 8 meter, and whose thickness of slab is 6 inch, and 6 inch we have to converted in 0 in meter, 0.15 meter. All right. So 6 inch into converted meters, 0.15 meter. So further process, we will calculate volume of slab. Volume of slab is length breadth into, so length is given 6 meter and width is given 8 meter, and thickness of the slab in meter 0.15. After putting the value length, breadth and height, so we will get the value of 7.2 meter cube. One ratio, two ratio, four. After that, first we will calculate number of number sorry number of bag of cement. All right. First we will calculate number of bag of cement is equal to 1.54 weight volume. As you can see, 1.54 is a dry volume concrete, and volume of the slab 7.2 into, we are calculating number of bag of cement, so we are in ratio 1, so multiply 1 and divide by addition. We will divide of addition of the ratio, 1 plus 2 plus 4. So we will get, as you can see, 1.54 dry volume concrete and volume of slab and into cement ratio. How? 1. So 1 and divide the summation of all grade 1, all grade ratio. All right, 1 to 4, and after adding 7 we get, finally we will get the value of 1.584 meter cube. All right. So we will convert it into bag. How will convert? As we know that density of the cement is 1440 kg per meter cube. All right. So we will multiply by 1.584. So we will get the, after multiplying density of the cement and the here 1.584 multiplying, so we will get the value. After calculating, we get the value 2280.9. This unit will be kg. All right. Finally, we know that, as we know that 1 bag cement is equal to 50 kg, so we will divide by 50 kg. All right, from 2280.9 kg. So we will divide 2280.9 kg divide 50. 50 is a one bag of cement is equal to 50 kg. All right. So we get the value. Finally, we get the value 45.6 bag. We can write it 46 bag. As you can see, finally we have calculated number of bag of cement, and next we will calculate sand. One more thing, you remember, 1 meter cube is equal to 29. So remember, 1 meter cube is equal to 29 bag of cement. All right. So you can directly calculate number of bag by this help of meter cube. All right. So next we will calculate sand. So we are calculating quantity of sand. So as you can see, we are calculating sand, quantity of sand. So 2 is the ratio to it comes from the grade of M22. So multiply 2, and this is dry volume of concrete 1.54 into 2. 7.2 is the volume of slab. All right, and we will divide by the summation of finally we get the value of 3.15 मीटर क्यूब. सो कितना सीएफटी होता है?
35.137.
35 पॉइंट. देखो तो वहाँ एक सीएफटी लिखा होगा, एग्जैक्ट बोलो. कितना है?
हम लिखे थे 35.3147. 315 कर सकता है.
35.31 बस, 31 छोड़ देना. सो रिमेंबर 1 मीटर क्यू इक्वल टू 335.31 CF. So remember always 1 meter cube is equal to 35.31 cubic feet. All right. So we will multiply by 3.15. So finally we get quantity of sand 111.2 CFT. All right, 111.2 CFT. As next we will calculate aggregate quantity of aggregate. All right, and just like that we will put the value here. All right, as we calculate aggregate, so we are multiply 4 into dry volume concrete 1.54 into volume of slab. Finally we get the value. So guys, we get quantity of aggregate 6.33 meter cube. All right, so we will convert it into CFT. As you can see guys, after multiply by CFT in meter cube, we get 223.7 CFT. So just like the